everybody. Peace and blessings to everyone. Welcome to my garden. So for the last couple of weeks, I've been thinking about updating my patio, because my patio area really has looked a mess. Now my garden, my garden looks great. I have a lot of greenery growing and my garden looks really great. But the problem was my patio, my seating area on the patio looked terrible because I hadn't did anything in a while, and I really haven't had, a chance to come out here and sit and enjoy the garden and listen to the birds chirp, watch the little lizards crawl through, and the hummingbirds and the butterflies and different things like I wanted to, because my patio looked a mess. Now when I first moved here almost 8 years ago, I had bought a nice sectional outdoor patio sectional set, and it was really nice, and it lasted for a while until the cushions began to fade and one part of the wiggle sectional had broke, but one part was still okay. It's actually two pieces that I kept. It was like a little corner piece that went to the sectional and another little long piece, and it really looks like a couch. So what I decided to do was to buy a cushion that pretty much fitted and some pillows, and I also bought another little set that has two chairs and a little table. So I'm gonna let you guys see how it looked. Now also with my other set that I used to have, I had a little cooler thing, so I had kept that as well. So I'm gonna let you guys see what I got and see how it looks. Okay, so outside of the cushion for the sectional piece, I bought a few more items. I bought some pillows and some pillow covers that I'm going to try out. I have two different sets that I bought. I'm going to see which one that I like the best. But I also bought this patio furniture set. It is a two-piece set. It comes with two chairs and a table. So I'm going to put that together and see how it looks. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. I looked at some reviews online, and the reviews were pretty good for this particular item. Yeah, it had like a 4.7 star. So the reviews were pretty good. So I'm going to put this patio furniture set together, and I'm gonna open up the boxes and open up this box. I guess this box is the pillows I ordered. So I ordered 4 sets of pillows that are supposed to be 20 by 20. So we're gonna see. Okay, so in this box we have some pillows. I guess they're air vacuum tight. So just like with the bench cushion, when I open it up, they kind of fluffed out. And then this is one of the sets of pillow covers that I bought to go over them. So I'm gonna open these up, see how they look, and show you guys. Okay. All right, this one looks all right. Actually, it's a nice thick material. It's a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. It's not as thin as I thought. And I got, so it's 4 come in this set. I got these on Amazon. Then one more. So I'm gonna see how this set looks versus the other set that I bought. Let's see which one I like the best. So you just be careful and cut these, because I'm assuming they just gonna, once they get open, I guess they vacuum seal them closed. And then once they're open, circle. So this is 4 20 by 20 pillows. Okay. It's a lot to, as you can see, it's a lot to get in here to get to them. Alright. Okay. So here we go. Open it. Okay. So this is 4 pillows. So I have 4 of these. So we're going to see how they look. I'm going to put the cases on, see how they look. Put this case on. And these cases zip. So they have a zipper right here. I hope you guys can see that. So the pillowcases is 20 by 20, and the pillows are 20 by 20. So, but overall with the these cases, I'm impressed. These are some nice cases. They are also water resistant. And so these cases are made out of the material. Kind of feels like almost kind of like the material like a you know, the potato bags are made out of those bags that are made out of. But yeah, that's nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other ones together real quick, and I'll let y'all see how it looks. All right, so I got the 2 chairs and the little table it came with put together, and I like them. They are very nice. They were easy to put together, and they are very sturdy. As you see here that I'm shaking it, and they're very sturdy. I actually bought these on Temu. I was a little skeptical because I haven't had, you know, positive results with them, but these 2 chairs and this little table came out really nice, and it was a good deal. I think I paid maybe $68 for them. So I really like these tables and chairs. They're really sturdy. Wasn't a whole lot of pieces. It was very easy to put together, and I'm gonna try them out and see how comfortable they are. Well, all right, this is how it's looking. It's looking very nice. I really like it. It came out very well. The pillows are good quality. The pillow covers are good quality. I really like them. I have a couple more pillows that I'll probably put in here with them, and then I have 2 that I'm gonna put on the chairs. But so far so good. It's looking really nice. I really like it. These pillows are really good quality. I think this is very cute. Yeah, let me know if you think it's cute. You know, one reason I wanted to redo the my porch, because the porch, you know, was just looking terrible. The garden is nice and cute, and you know, I'll come out here and water the garden, but I haven't sat on the porch much because, you know, it wasn't looking good like it used to. So now that it's looking good, I'm gonna be out here reading, doing my Bible study, going live, doing everything. It's really looking nice out here. I wonder, should I get a rug? Do you think I should get a rug? Maybe get a rug to put right here. Now over there, that is a cooler that I had that went with the sectional. But I kind of always use it as a little table and put stuff in it. But overall, it looks very nice out here so far. So let me get these other pillows together and see the final result. All right, so this is the final result, and I'm really liking it. I love these pillows. They're 20 by 20. I love them because the pillows are waterproof, and the pillow covers are waterproof as well. So they are great quality. I really love the colors on them. Uh, my patio, my porch looks very nice now, so I'm really enjoying it. I'm able to come out here and just sit, relax, read, enjoy my garden, listen to the birds chirping, just enjoy nature. So I really love these pillows. So I do have two different sets and they both look very nice. So I'm really enjoying it out here. So you guys let me know what you think. Let me know which ones you like the best. I love these right here as well. They say life is better on the porch. It says welcome to my porch. Sit and talk. Listen to God. This one says welcome to my porch as well. I love this one because it has the porch rules. You know, sit back, relax, laugh, converse, kick up your feet, listen to the birds, sip a good drink. These are so cute. I really love both of these looks. So, you know, I just really love it. It says life is better on the porch. It is. The porch is my happy place. One of my happy places where I can relax, sit and talk to God and rest my soul. Enjoy every season. So I really love it. You guys tell me what you think about it. Let me know if you like both of them or which one you like the best. So I really love this. This is awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in on